Hello, I am Karan Sandhu. After completing my senior secondary education, I joined the Lakme Academy, Rajendra Place, and I joined the course CCMA and CCHD. And it was very good to join this academy. I was a totally fresher to this industry, and when I joined this academy, I learned a lot of new techniques and advanced things, advanced makeup, advanced hair, and faculty of this academy is really awesome. At next level they teach and they taught everything in a very good manner, and I learned a lot of things here, and now I realize that what I am totally professional in my everything, in makeup, hair. That is only due to my teachers and like my academy Rajendra Place. Thank you so much.